नमस्ते, बड़ों को प्रणाम और मेरे सभी दोस्तों को आका का प्यार. This one is the barrel where the spring is housed. Just give a cut out here. How is it, lifenturers? It's me, Aaka. Welcome to our channel and you're watching Aaka's Life Venture. Firstly, I would like to thank you all for the numbers of views in my previous video. It's crossed 450 views, so I feel very happy that I'm getting views and all. Secondly, thank you all for the numbers of subscribers gained also. I have gained around 6 subscribers within this week, so I'm feeling very happy. So thank you all for the love and support that you provide me, and I'll try to do my best again. Today I have got you out here to show you two things which I possessed. One is a very vintage and a very collectible watch, the H.M.T Pilot, and another thing is unboxing of the Lenovo 1 TB hard disk which I got from Amazon. The stage is set up and all the things which I need is out here, the tweezer and nothing more else. And this is the H.M.T Pilot, the black dial H.M.T Pilot, which is a very sorted watch, a very collectible watch. So I'll keep this aside and I'll just show you the internal mechanism of this watch. So I'll remove the strap so that it gets easy to be seen. So I've taken out the strap. So I'll show you the machinery inside it. Although somewhat kind of detailed machinery video of H.M.T watches are shown when I did the knee joint operation of Mr. Vivek. So if you have not watched the video, so you can check the video in the link above. So you can see the machinery out here, how the machine looks inside, and some details I'll tell you. So this one is the balance spring, balance assembly we can say, and this is the body, this is the keyless work area, sorry, not getting the word. main gear, second gear and the third gear, and out this one is the barrel where the spring is housed. So I won't be opening this watch because it's in perfect condition, working properly, and it's of 1982, I think. Yeah, the watch is of 1982. Now let us get into the unboxing of the 1 TB hard disk which I got it from Amazon few days before. I'll give a cut out here so you can see no way it's open. This is just for security purposes and all. So I'll just give a cut out here and I am opening this one. I had got some products from Flipkart few years before, but Flipkart products never came proper, so I don't buy products from Flipkart and all anymore. So let me show you the hard disk which is out here. and there is nothing more inside here, just the invoice. Yeah, so I'll keep this aside. And this is the 1 TB hard disk which I got from Amazon. The seal. So here is the 1 TB hard disk, the documentations out there, and this is seal pack, the data cable, and the hard disk is out there. You can see the sign of the hard disk. And yeah, it's written 1 TB out here. So guys, I'll set up my mobile phone and I'll show you the details of it, whether it really is 1 TB or not. Now guys, as you can see, the Lenovo USD HDD and 931 GB out of 931 GB. So guys, I've connected the hard disk and you could see the details of the hard disk. Thank you all for being a part of this video. This watch has been donated to me by my Kaka Baze. He is an 86-year-old person. His photo is out here, and I have featured him in the video of my Bengal Safari video, which was the last week video. So if you have not watched the video, so kindly go up and check in the link, the I button, and you can find the video of the Bengal Safari. It was a fun experience, and I feel so blessed that I have this watch now. It's a very very collectible item, and I don't usually use it. So H.M.T Pilot, it costs around from 1,200 to 2,000 rupees in second hand. I hope you have liked my video. So thumbs up would be highly appreciated. Please comment and subscribe to our channel. Those who have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe so that you can become a part of our family members, which gets increased, and I'll get lots and lots of आप लोगों का प्यार और ऊपर वाले का प्यार. Over and out.